Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I love daffodils and I just wanted to use this as a bit of a teaching possibility for our Patreon people. So you might remember when we looked at the fruit book that we just did, which the sentence structure was, it was a couple of months ago now, but the sentence structure was he aha, what? He aha te huarako, fruit. He aha te huarako tino pai kia koe. What fruit do you like the best? So you could ask somebody about flower, puti puti. He aha te puti puti tino pai kia koe. What flower do you like the best? Kia ho, to me, I don't actually know the word for daffodil in te reo, so I'm going to say he puti puti kōwhai te puti puti tino pai ki a ho. The yellow flower is the flower that I like the best. So if you want to ask somebody which flower they like the best, you can say he aha te puti puti tino pai ki a koe. Ka kite.